Hello guys, Merry Christmas, and just want to do a quick unboxing. Well, I have three things. So if you have know, my launcher broke, so we got a launch for Christmas, which that's a W. We also got Tricera Press, W, and also Clock Mirage. And I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, starting off with the launcher first. Sure. There's the launcher and the ripcord. I don't think I'll be using the ripcord until this thing is straightened. So I got my white ripcord here. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna have to use, I'm using this black one. Yeah. Next, which should get a good launcher clip. We finally, oh my goodness, it's a miracle. Got one. Now, next up I want to work on a box is Tricera Press. Yeah. And now, okay, here it is. So we got instruction manual, we don't want it. Take this off. And then we'll start with trash and get up from there. So yeah, first of all, in this set we got Bound Spike. Yeah, it comes with 9mm focus camera. Bound Spike, which is pretty good if it doesn't burst while instantly. Next up is 5, 8. It is metal. 585 metal. And yeah, and now here's the main part. Is Tricera Press. Defense blade all. And yeah, here's it put together, but this is a simple ratchet, so it doesn't matter about burst resistance too much. It's harder, it's a little hard to put on, but oh yeah. And guys, the bound spike, you push in, but it always does this. Because that's its gimmick, if you didn't know. Which still gotta get used to. I know. Yeah. We'll give a test launch in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Tricera Press. And I'm gonna do a test battle. We'll just put it against Balance Paradigm Impact Drake. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Got to tilt. Oh my goodness. This thing's... You have to launch fast. 3, 2. 1-0. That's a 1-0. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. And that's an extreme finish. 3, okay. Three, 2, 1. Bro, I hate this. Oh my. 3, 2. Dang it, with that, Impact Drake does win. But not a bad day. I'm sure me and my friends will find some good combos and all that. But yeah. And now, I'm sure this is all we've been waiting for, mainly. Clock Mirage. So, I'm gonna get one of these, but they're all the same combo, so let's see which one I get. Honestly, I'm kind of hoping for this one. It's like Twisted Tempo the most. Oh my. So here's the instructions. We don't need it. Maybe it'll make this easy to open. So here's the layer. Bit. Ratchet. Start off with bit. And it comes with a ball. And since it's gray, I'm pretty sure I got the gray Twisted Tempo. We'll see. And guys, this is like a reinforced plastic. It's hard to open. And here's the new part. This is the black Twisted Tempo, but look. We got 965, I believe. And, yep. And now, time for the main blade. Man, why can't they just make this easier to open? And oh my goodness, guys. This thing's clean, and with this, you cannot use normal ratchets. You have to use a simple ratchet like this. So. Oh man. Here we go. Let's get ready to launch this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Look at the focus camera. And yeah, guys, I did get a tablet too, like an Apple iPad. Yeah, so no more bad camera. Yay. Yeah, this thing spins longer than Rod, which if you don't know, best stamina type in the game. But it's kind of nerfed with that, so. And you know what? Let's do a battle against these two. Why not? That's a knockout for Kyce Aeropress 2.0. Oh, well, no. This thing feels weird to pick up because these pieces feels weird to pick up, but yeah. And that's a knockout for Twisted Tempo. Scores 3-2. And this is Clock Mirage on Twisted Tempo. You know. Clock Mirage is insane, though. And with that, Clock Mirage wins. But yeah, that's just some Beyblade stuff I got. So yeah, further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. And if I had to rate, probably this first, second, since I need a new launcher. This third, I see potential, but me and my friends will figure it out. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.